At last you've arrived.
Inspector Bakuso Jr. at your service, madam.
Countess Espionage. You may call me Espy. You're late.
May I take your coat, sir?
Do you take me for a fool? I am Inspector Bakuso Jr.
Jimmy, Jacques Cousteau, the famous underwater photographer, is here.
No, Bakuso Jr.
Yeah, Jacques Cousteau, give me the coat. Give me the coat.
No, monsieur.
Give me
No,
the coat.
no,
Give me the
no,
coat.
no.
Thank God you're here! The lights keep going out. It's very suspicious. Every time the lights go out, something goes missing. My necklace!
The lights keep going off in the middle of the day. You should call an electrician.
I have an appointment for next Tuesday. But we have a thief in our midst. The real reason I brought you here is to escort Chris Cooper's Oscar to the ELLIE Fund and get it there on time.
The elephant is scared. Code. The elephant is scared.
Oscar, ELLIE Fund.
The crow flies at midnight?
Our cover's blown. Let's go.
Make sure this stays safe. Do not let anyone touch it.
I have solved the case. Your necklace went up, but I don't understand why the lights keep going out.
Thank you, Inspector Bacluseau Jr. Ernie. Now, you must get this Oscar to the ELLIE Fund party. It cannot be late.
I'm okay, and so is the scared elephant.